If you own an account with UBA, you can manage it easily with Internet Banking. Here's how to sign up for UBA's Internet Banking in a few simple steps. First, request for your Internet Banking credentials by using the self-service option on the UBA website, visiting a UBA branch or calling the UBA Contact Fulfillment Center. Your Internet Banking credentials will then be sent to you via email. Open your browser and type www.ubagroup.com. Click on Internet Banking and then click on Personal. Within the Internet Banking tab, first select your country and language of choice. Type in the user ID included in your Internet Banking credentials and click on Login. Next, type in the password that also came with your credentials and click Login. Next, create or provide the answer to your security question and click Submit. Then you'll be asked to select a key phrase and image that you'll need for subsequent logins on other devices. Finally, before granting you access to your Internet Banking profile, you will be asked to change your password. Type in your current sign-up password once and then type in your new password twice. Click Submit and you're good to go. Enjoy your UBA Internet Banking.